I am Jesse Ellis. I'm Prevention Manager in the Fairfax County Department of Neighborhood and Community Services. A lot of our work really focuses on bringing people together and trying to coordinate and identify ways that at a system or environmental level we can make a difference. Within the public health world, we often talk about changing the context, so that a good example of this would be that when we make sure that all teachers in schools are trained in recognizing when a student may be in emotional distress and how to intervene, that changes the context, because now it means that every kid who might be showing those signs or symptoms has a better chance that somebody's going to notice and try to provide help. I think there's three main ways in which we really hope people can get involved within the community. First is getting trained themselves. There are a lot of different types of trainings out there that can teach you how to recognize when somebody may need help, and then how to get them to help. And there are ones that are free and available online. There are more intensive ones for people who really want to get more into it. But find those kinds of trainings and teach yourself. The second way is to serve as an advocate. Not necessarily advocating for legislation or things like that, but the next time you're in your house of worship, ask clergy, do you know what to do if somebody comes up to you and is considering suicide or is having an emotional crisis? Ask your doctor or your children's doctor, do you do behavioral health screenings? Do you do screenings for depression or suicide? And what do you do when somebody screens positive for one of those? So make sure that others are aware and be an advocate for that. And then the third thing that you can do is volunteer. There's so many ways that you can be directly involved in our community. Volunteer for PRS Crisis Link. They're always looking for volunteers for the hotline and text line. You can volunteer with the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, which does such a great job of spreading awareness. There are tons of organizations in Fairfax that could really use your help. You've got a community that cares about you, and you've got folks here in the community that can help. It may seem tough, it may seem that you're all alone, but there are others who get it. There are others who will help. So please make that call, send that text, or reach out to somebody, because there are folks out here who care